This is a CBS News special report. I'm Scott Pelley in New York, where the stock market has just closed and the pessimism has returned. Stocks have given up all of their gains from yesterday's big rally and more. The Dow lost 522 points today, about 4.6%. Business and economics correspondent Rebecca Jarvis is following the market's ups and downs. And Rebecca, why is this happening?
Well, Scott, what we're seeing here is fears of a global slowdown infiltrating stocks. What we've seen over the last couple of weeks with stocks declining is a concern about Europe in particular, because Europe has bad debts from Italy to Greece to Spain, and its banks are highly exposed to those debts. So investors are concerned, what happens if those countries fall? What happens to the banks? Here in the United States, the concern is that exposure, but it's also about the consumer. And this new fear of a double-dip recession is back in play as consumers watch what happens in the stock markets to their portfolio. All of a sudden, they pull back and they spend less in the real economy. And that can have a ripple effect on jobs. And that's obviously something we don't want to see when we're in such a fragile place already with our recovery.
Thank you, Rebecca. We'll look at the number one more time. The Dow Jones Industrial Average off 521 points today, about 4.6%. There will be more about the Wall Street story on your local news on this CBS station, on CBSNews.com, and tonight on the CBS Evening News. Until then, with Rebecca Jarvis, I'm Scott Pelley, CBS News, New York.
For news 24 hours a day, go to CBSNews.com.